Yo, what's up, guys? I'm also just streaming on YouTube. I'll paste the link in the chat now if you guys want to watch it on YouTube as well. Yo, what's up, peeps? What's up, everybody? Welcome to the London Open from AquaTV. How's everybody doing? How is everybody doing this Wednesday morning? MD, Serena, what's up? Can you guys hear me? How's the audio? All good? All good, all good. All right, guys, we're going to be jumping into a German 40 trade pretty soon. A lot earlier than expected. So essentially, if we look on the daily time frame, all right, if we look at the daily time frame, we can see like a premature evening star. All right, so premature evening star. Now go back to the 15. We have a 15-minute trend, the yes golden zone, as well as support. So the moment we break this trend line and enter the support, we will be entering a trade. I wouldn't even mind taking the trade slightly earlier just because it's a pretty good area to trade. And everybody on my Discord watching this, if you guys do come onto the stream, I'm giving away, myself and Aqua, we're giving away two $50,000 future accounts and four $10,000 forex accounts. So click the link in the chat and then come through onto the YouTube. Udo, how you doing, bro? Udo, is audio good, eh? Ganesh, I'm good and you. I tried some new mic settings, so just checking if the audio's all right. Audio's good. Okay, great. Great. All right, so we're looking at something like this. That's the trade that we're looking at. Let's just see. Audio's noise. All right, so again, we're trading German 40 here. German 40, we're probably going to short at like 24334 and aim for 24,096. Hey, Najri, welcome, bro. Welcome, Najri. And guys, if you're new here on the AquaFunded YouTube channel, just make sure that you do like the live stream, you follow. I'm here every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for London Open. And then we also have some other great traders coming for New York throughout the week. All right, guys, and then as soon as we do enter our trade, I'll be giving away a $50,000 futures account as well as two $10,000 accounts. So make sure that you stay on the live stream, and then also towards the end of the live stream, we'll be doing the exact same giveaway again. Can you 5-minute candle? I just want that retest on that trend, then I'm very happy entering. How many accounts? A total of 6 accounts. I'm here for it, baby. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys, and just checking the video now. We're only on 13 likes. All right, there's 23 peeps here. Let's run it up to at least 20. And then, you know, with 20 likes, a couple new subscribers. Awesome. Hey, military, how does the giveaway work? Is it a code or you pick? I randomly pick. Sometimes I ask silly questions. Whoa, very interesting. GBP USD has an unpredictable bearish movement. Why is this so? I haven't really looked at GBP USD. If I trade a currency pair, it's typically GBP JPY. But we can take a look after stream. What giveaway accounts? So it's a 50K futures account, and then two 50K future accounts, and then 4 10K forex accounts. GJ, yeah, GJ has been quite choppy. So has, well, gold's just been one direction. So gold is doing good. Yeah, gold's good if you buy it. If you buy it, gold is amazing. But if you're just looking for that reversal, you're gonna keep on looking. Do you guys have activation fees? I used to trade FX with AquaFutures, never tried them. It should be on the website. So which strategy do you use? I use my own strategy. It's a combination of like basic technicals. So trend lines, fib levels, candlesticks, support resistance, trading patterns, flipping a coin. Nah, but like, yeah, I use a lot of variables essentially within my trading system. 8 to be exact. Did you like that one, Ganesh? Jamie, Aqua did not contact me for the 10K account I won last week, and I contacted support on Discord and want to screen recording. Oh, they want to screen recording. Can you help? Because I even don't know which day. Okay. Let me chat to support and then I'll get back to you, bro. Hey Black Myth, how you doing, bro? Are you waiting for some retest? Yes, I am. I'm just waiting for retest on this trend. So the moment we get that, we can enter. But it's jarring a little bit. Hey Cherise, how you doing? Stop loss maybe large. Stop loss is slightly above the daily high. So I'm pretty happy with the stop loss. Like this trade will be like close to 1 to 2. We could even go slightly lower like that, but okay, this might be our candle to enter. Ezra, how you doing, bro? I am God. What's up, bro? Best platform out there, you know it. Okay, we have 2 more minutes until the next 15. All right. So that's essentially the trade setup. We're just waiting for the next 15-minute candle. Hopefully get a pullback. And then that would be our trade. How's your trading going, bro, on that account? Speaking to me? Yesterday when we traded German footy, we had a break-even day. So price came to essentially the same thing as this, move vessel to entry. And then it came back to entry. Do you have giveaway? We're gonna do giveaway when we enter a trade. Bless me today. Okay, new 15-minute candle. Let's see if there we go. Just come up a little bit. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. For hump day, can we get aware what kind members? Aware what kind members? Good job. Just take it slowly and you'll make it on it. All right, guys, if we don't get that retest on trend, I'm probably going to enter on this low and then I'll adjust stop loss to the daily high. So it'll be like still like a 1.5 trade. But I want this position. Jaime, is SL so big? SL is so big. Not really. It just depends what position size you go in with. I'm late. Which pair is this? German 40. German 40. What lot size you trade on this? It depends what account I'm trading. But I risked, for this trade, I'll risk 0.5%. All right, I'm entering on German 40 here. I'll probably stop loss at this point. Slightly here. So we're in German 40 cells. At 24292. Stop loss, we're looking at 24399. And then TP, we're looking at 24096. Are you in? Yeah, I just got in now. Not the exact entry that I wanted, but I think if we hold off, we might just miss the ship here. Yes, TJ. I'm streaming on the YouTube, so it's the same thing. Whether you watch it here or on the YouTube, it's the same thing. But I recommend YouTube so that you can win giveaways and stuff. How many pairs do you trade? Like 4 or 5. 4 or 5 pairs. All right, guys. We're gonna go ahead with and start with the giveaway. So everyone in the Discord, if you want to participate in the giveaway, win a $50,000 account and two forex, two 10K accounts. Click this link, the YouTube link. Come on, and we'll also be doing it again at the end of the stream. Do you trade all sessions? No, I don't. Just London, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays. Then I trade New York from Tuesday to Friday. Okay. Get to know one of those things it's been so that you can put names on it. Yes, but imagine writing like 32 names, and then eventually if we get to like 1,000 people, 1,000 names. That's crazy. That'll be yo. I struggle to even write 6 names every single stream. Okay, so usually look at this trade though. Beauty of a trade. Usually, what am I writing? I'm just writing the potential winners. All right, so 50K, 10, 10, 10. So let's see, what kind of question can we ask? Let's see if I can cook up a question quick. Okay, so the question for today, okay, for just the 50K futures account, what animal represents the 25K account on AquaFunded? All right, what animal represents the 25K account on AquaFunded? Array. There you go. Ezra, you got it, bro. Okay, Ezra won the 50K futures count. Now let's do the tens. Okay, so I have, let's see if you're paying attention to the stream. Okay, I have 2 orange rectangles or blocks. Okay, one is called the YesGZ. What is the other one called? So this one at the bottom, what do I name this one? And it's not ES 1.618. So I have the YesGZ, and then what is this one at the bottom? Temperance Weekly. Yes, you're right, bro. Temperance. Okay, Temperance got it. So for the last 10K count for this one, again, we're doing this again towards the end. Let's see. How many subscribers does the AquaTV channel have? Boom. How many subscribers does the AquaTV channel have? 2.73. Let's see who said it first. 2.73. Bad Shah 76. Bad Shah 76. Congrats, bro. Congratulations, everybody. So Ezra Roberts won the 50K futures account. Tim Parents won a 10K, as well as Bad Shah 76. And then just remember, towards the end of the stream, we're going to do this all over again. So the 50K, 10, and then the 10. All right, now let's lock in with trading. How many of you guys are in this trade with me? Tim Parents, okay, dope. On which coin are you trading? Coin? I'm trading the German 40. Not necessarily a coin. Nasri, okay, cool. Namudi. What is your risk management? So usually my trades are like anywhere from lately it's been like 1 to 2s, just slightly under. But usually I risk between 0.25 and 0.5%. So it just varies. But there's obviously a lot of other factors that go into, risk management. Like I won't overtrade. I won't enter a position that doesn't necessarily have a lot of validation. So basically entering a position just for the sake of it, right? I would never do that. Come on, German 40, cook for us a little bit. Hey Wurzel, how you doing, bro? How not to fear while placing trades? Just have confidence in your system. I think the more confident you are in your system, the easier it is for you to place trades. But if you're not confident in your system, then it's going to be very, very tough. Very, very tough for you to place trades. So yeah, first of all, there's confidence within your system. But like fear, you'll always have some form of fear, to be honest. Like it's really, really normal. As like crappy as that sounds. Sorry today late, mate. No stress, bro. Comments on the sweep last night? Which pair? I'm good, bro. Gold. I haven't looked at gold. I didn't trade New York yesterday, unfortunately. Which broker? Right now I'm just focusing on props, but obviously props would be Aqua. But brokers, like, it just depends where you're based. If you're based in South Africa, I wouldn't really like put too much effort into local brokers, in all honesty. How to participate in giveaway? When I announce it, it will just either be something random or like a question. So yeah, just stay in the chat. Make sure that you obviously subscribe to the channel, that you like the video, and if you do all of that, you have a good chance. Oh, I have no idea about Pakistan, bro. I'll be very honest with you. I have no idea about Pakistan. Is a German 40 good thing to trade? For London, it's good. Gold's really good during New York, but yeah, like right now, gold's pretty. How do you collect the giveaway prize? Support will contact you, so you won't get it instantly. It'll probably be like within like a day or two. Yeah, German 40 is good, bro. I think you'll enjoy it quite a lot. Waiting for your response. What response? Send it. Send a message again. This world is rough these days, bro. Trading's been crazy. Trading's been absolutely nuts. But when there's chaos, there's also opportunity, right? Just depends what side you're on. Any workbooks that you can send us by any chance? I haven't really read like a ton of books, to be fair. The book that I have read when I started was like Trading for a Living, which was pretty good. Some Candlestick Bible, which is also pretty good. Or do you trade based on your technical then news? Technical then news. I don't look at news then technicals. It's my dog. My dog is snoring. Jamie, any trades in Inky? No, I didn't trade New York yesterday, but I'm going to trade it today. So today I'll be trading gold or NASDAQ. It just depends on like what's more favorable. But yeah, I'll be trading those. Did you guys trade anything for New York yesterday? And if so, how did it go? New York hasn't been my friend. I'll be very honest with you. I need to have a chat with that guy. I haven't looked at NASDAQ as of yet. So I'll probably do it. I normally do my analysis like 30 minutes before the market opens. How many trades do you take a day, or how many hours max do you put in? Trades I take a day, like 1 to 2. Honestly, 1 to 2. And then how much time do I put in? Because I've done like all the hard work already in terms of like analysis and stuff. I usually just touch up my chart, so it takes me like 10 minutes. 10 minutes per chart. So like if I'm trading 2 pairs for New York, or I'm looking at 2 pairs, then obviously 20 minutes. It just depends. Any winner who don't want futures account, we can exchange. I have a 10K FX on yesterday. Yes, I traded nice, but didn't go well. What was the outcome? What happened? Did you short? Did you long? Yeah, bro. Don't worry. Overtrading is so like common. Like it's honestly so common. But just like focus on a quality setup, bro. Don't like, don't go crazy over like everything that the market gives you. I used to trade like that, bro. You just won't rest. You genuinely won't rest. How to do fundamental analysis? How long have you been training for? 5 years. So fundamental analysis, whatever you trade, know exactly what you are trading. So for example, if you trade the NASDAQ, you need to know at least, it's tech companies, pharmaceutical companies, but you need to at least know like the top 10 companies, because the top 10 companies are going to shift the market, right? Then you just keep a lookout on those companies. So whenever you see in the news something or someone speaks about that company, whether negative or positive, okay, cool, that's going to affect the NASDAQ. And then you just need to like kind of be like open-minded about it. So by open-minded, what I mean is like, if an investor had to see that news, how would they feel? How would they react? And that's essentially what you need to adopt. Are you still doing mentorship? Yes, I am. Any YouTube stream channels? AquaTV? If you're asking for other stream channels, I don't really know any that are kind of doing it like this, to be honest. Giveaway. We'll do another giveaway in 15 minutes. In 15 minutos. How should we do the next giveaway, guys? Should we do a question or should we do random? I'm not doing a wheel spin because a wheel spin I have to put in so much data. Here, 0.5% risk. Where do I stream? On my Discord. How do you work on trading psychology to be profitable? Trial and error, bro. Like honestly, trial and error. You have to actually do to learn. So you're not gonna magically like read something or get some advice that's gonna like drastically change your trading psychology. It's actually like working on it, taking wins, taking losses, learning from your mistakes, learning from your wins. So it's much deeper than just like someone giving you advice. No one's going to give you advice that's necessarily going to change the way you trade or the way you see it or whatever. Oh, you want a question? Do we still have giveaway? Yes, we do. In 10 minutes. The reason I won't spin for giveaways is because I have to put in everyone's name in the thing. Unless there's like an app or website that like automates that based off the YouTube viewers, then that'd be cool. These sessions help me so much with emotional mental. Yeah, likewise, bro. It's nice to trade with the community. Everyone's kind of doing the same stuff. You're doing the same trades. So It definitely does help. How you select winner? We're going to be asking a question. These sessions, these streets I walk upon, these streets I walk upon. I wish I could be the one to win. Bro, you just gotta lock in. As a beginner, how do I FOMO when I'm in the trading community? How do I not FOMO? If you have FOMO within the trading community, then probably, like, to be honest, like, don't be in it. The reason why I say that is because then that's going to essentially affect your trading, and you don't want that. You really, really don't want that. So, also could like like what kind of FOMO? Like the fear of like missing an entry or profits or what? But I would just say, to be honest, like if you have heavy FOMO with streams, maybe just like focus on your trading before you like join like streams and stuff. Let's start spin, brother. No. How long have you been trading? 5 years. Is the giveaway for futures? It's one $50,000 futures account, and then two 10K forex accounts. So we got diversity over here. Is give a kind of allow one payout only? No. It's the same as like a normal account. From in the sense that I've seen the others want to go into a trade. Yeah, but that's why I also think it's so important to have your own trading strategy. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, otherwise you just reliant on other people's like opinions or work or whatever. How long did it take for me to become profitable? Literally a month. I'm not going to lie. It literally took me a month. I had like a very, very, very interesting trading journey. Like a really, really interesting one. All right, guys. So we're gonna rock with the final giveaway. Again, it's a 50K futures account and two 10K accounts. So the first question is, I said that I work with 8 variables. All right, this is for a 10K account. Okay. What was your background before trading? I was in the app business. So I didn't necessarily develop a mobile app, but I was in that business. How many variables, all right, did I say I focus on with my analysis? So I said variables. This is for the 10K account. How many variables? Eight. Okay, wow. You guys are on it. I just want to see. It was 9 to 5 Chronicles. So 9 to 5 Chronicles, you want a 10K account? Damn, you guys are quick with that. No, you can't, Temperance. You definitely can't, bro. Okay. Second question for the other 10K account is let's see. How long did it take for me to become profitable with trading? If you guys were check it wall. Canal. No, I see 9 to 5 Chronicles, sorry. 1 month. Wurzel. You want a 10K account? And then for the 50K futures account, what is the current price of Bitcoin? So the current price of Bitcoin, what is it? For 50K futures account. No. 76. 108.0200. No. 108. I want specifics though. Okay, the closest one is 199. Okay, well the closest one is Reba Mokoena. So Reba Mokoena, you want a 50K futures account. All right, guys, that's the London stream. Congratulations to all the winners. Again, the Aqua team will contact you regarding your prizes. All right, and if you guys are still holding this trade, keep on holding. Remember, at this price point, all right, so 24230, we're moving our SL to entry. Just make sure you maybe take a screenshot of this. And yeah, just let the trade run. Let's see how it goes. But thanks for coming onto the London live stream, and I'll see you guys I'll see you guys tomorrow. What's today? Wednesday. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. All right, sweet guys, have a great one. Let me just take the pictures of the winners. All right, have a great one, guys. Much love.